It's almost hunting season, guys, and most people are thinking about their bows, their guns, getting everything set up. They're going to the range, they're practicing hanging stands, planting food plots. How about your knives? Have you thought about having a high quality knife and skinning system in your pack? That's one of the most important things you can have. On a pack-in hunt for you elk hunters that are about to crank up in September, you want to have a dull knife or you want to have a sharp knife. You want to have a great skinning tool. Check out Raptorazor knives and all the great products they're making. But I'm telling you, this T-handle design is one of my favorite knives I've ever used. Replacement blades, super sharp, and multiple blades. You can even have a saw on this thing. And with those big animals, for you elk hunters out there, or you whitetail hunters, that when you go to skin one of these big animals, that T-handle, you can get a big swipe or big pull if you need to when you're using the gut hook, or if you're using that saw, or if you're doing some finish skinning, even caping with the straight edge. I'm telling you, check out Raptorazor knives and all the great products they make. That's what we use here on Savage Outdoors.